Peace, family. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about the different agencies other than the credit bureaus that the credit bureaus actually use to validate your information on your credit report, i.e. SageStream, ID Analytics, Check Systems, and LexisNexis. Now, if you have my credit repair manuscript, you will see those actual agencies that I just spoke on and exactly what they do in that manuscript. But I'm going to go ahead and tell you as well, so that when you're reading it and you need a visual, you'll have it here. So your LexisNexis is dealing with your public records. So your public records will be like tax liens and bankruptcies. So when you are doing disputes dealing with those particular items on your credit report, you're going to want to freeze your LexisNexis agencies. You're going to want to freeze them so that when you do dispute it, they can't pull from that agency to validate anything dealing with a public record. And next, you have your check systems, your ID Analytics, and SageStream. You're going to want to freeze all of those if you're dealing with disputes on your credit report that are charge-offs, that are lates, and that are in collections. You're going to want to deal with freezing all of those. Even when you're dealing with student loans, you're going to want to freeze those in particular. Now, huge jewel, that is something I know credit repair agencies do not want to tell you. Now, as far as you going and actually freezing them, I'm going to let you go ahead and figure that one out on your own. I mean, it's in my credit repair manuscript. You can donate $10 for it and you can receive it. Or, legitimately, I don't mind you sending me an email or asking me a question. I have no problem with letting you know what it is, because I'm not doing this to get paid. But I am doing this so that you guys can understand that I do have a manuscript that's available for you and that you can handle this on your own. Now, that information there, credit repair agencies do not want you to know that. They don't want you to know that at all. So, I really hope that this helps. If you have any questions, leave me a comment, shoot me an email, hit me up on any social media platform. I will get right back to you. Stay blessed, fam. Peace.